Need to silence your iPhone swiftly? Let's learn how to do it effectively. Hi, I'm Siok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to silence your iPhone. So let's get started. There are two ways how you can simply silence your iPhone. The first way is to enable the Do Not Disturb mode. To enable Do Not Disturb mode, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and open the control center. Look for the focus option and tap on it. Now you will see the Do Not Disturb mode option. Simply tap on it to activate. The next way to silence your iPhone is turning on the silent mode. Locate the silent mode switch on the left side of your iPhone, just above the volume button. Finally, slide the switch downwards to activate the silent mode. And this is how you can silence your iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.